Iran has a new supreme leader, and the name was not entirely unexpected. After the death of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, Iran's powerful clerical body, the Assembly of Experts, has chosen his son Mojtaba Khamenei to lead the Islamic Republic. For years, Mojtaba operated largely behind the scenes, rarely speaking publicly and seldom appearing in the spotlight. But within Iran's power circles, he was already considered highly influential. Now, that quiet influence has turned into formal authority. Mojtaba Khamenei is one of Ali Khamenei's 6 children. He was born on 8 September 1969 in Mashhad, one of Iran's holiest cities. Unlike many Iranian leaders, Mojtaba has never held a formal government position. Yet, analysts have long believed he exercised significant influence behind the scenes. Leaked US diplomatic cables once described him as the power behind the ropes. Inside his father's office, Mojtaba reportedly acted as a gatekeeper, managing access, shaping decisions, and building alliances across Iran's political and security establishment. Mojtaba studied Islamic theology in Qom, Iran's most important center for Shiite religious scholarship. He later taught religious studies there. He holds the clerical rank of Hujjat al-Islam, a mid-level religious title below that of Ayatollah, the rank held by his father. Mojtaba is also considered a Sayyid, meaning he is believed to be a descendant of the Prophet Muhammad. Within Iran's clerical hierarchy, that lineage strengthens religious legitimacy. One of Mojtaba's strongest bases of support lies within Iran's security establishment. He is believed to have built close ties with the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps or IRGC, one of the most powerful institutions in Iran. Those links reportedly date back to the later years of the Iran-Iraq War when Mojtaba served in a combat unit. Over time, diplomats and analysts say he developed strong relationships with conservative factions and security leaders. Mojtaba Khamenei has also been a controversial figure internationally. In 2019, the United States sanctioned him during Donald Trump's first presidency. Washington accused him of representing his father in political matters and working closely with Iranian security forces. The US also alleged that he supported the rise of former Iranian President Mahmoud Ahmadinejad in 2005 and backed his disputed re-election in 2009, an election that triggered the massive Green Movement protests across Iran. Iran has rejected those accusations. His rise to the top post has drawn criticism. Power in the Islamic Republic has now effectively passed from father to son, something critics say resembles dynastic succession. Supporters, however, argue that his clerical training and long-standing influence make him a natural successor. Follow Business Standard for more stories.